Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajaha, and just a quick video because this is pretty important and pretty exciting. Arbitrum, the layer 2 network that scales Ethereum, which we've been talking about a lot on the channel, has had a huge upgrade. It's called Nitro and it's finally live. Let's get straight to it. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Yes, Nitro is finally out, and I just wanted to quickly go through this article created by Off-Chain Labs. You know, they are the people who are building Arbitrum, and you know, they've written the time has come. Arbitrum 1 has now finally been migrated to the Nitro stack, and so, you know, a lot of questions are, you know, what exactly does that mean? So, you know, they've said that we've talked at length about Nitro for a while, but now that the migration has actually completed, devs and users will finally start to feel the effects of the upgrade. Just to recap, this is what Nitro does. So, increased throughput compared to pre-Nitro, 7 to 10 times higher. So that's a lot of increase in capability, really. With transactions, advanced call data compression, which further drives down transaction costs on Arbitrum by reducing the amount of data posted to the layer 1. Ethereum layer 1 gas compatibility, bringing pricing and accounting for EVM operations perfectly in line with Ethereum. You've got additional layer 1 interoperability, safer retrievables, eliminating the failure mode where retrievable ticket fails to get created, GETH tracing for even broader debugging support, and you know, there are a few other things. I think the main thing is, you know, just the scaling of the throughput, and you know, ultimately that makes a huge difference, because now when you go to your favorite DEX to do your transactions, well, just let's go and have a look. Let's go to Uniswap here, and you'll be able to see in a second if I just change this. There you go, look at the gas fees. $0.50. Now, I've seen that on a lot of platforms, gas fees are actually even lower than this. You know, certain transactions are a few cents, less than 10 cents. I think that's huge. And in my opinion, I think we're personally going to see a bit of an Arbitrum network growth. Quite significant growth, actually. We've got the Arbitrum Odyssey, which I think is going to bring a lot of users to Arbitrum. So, in my opinion, I think it's pretty interesting to take a look at some of these Arbitrum dApps. In the next few videos, I'm hopefully going to try cover some of them. There's lots of really interesting ones like GMX, DOPEX, lots of derivatives and financial products available on the Arbitrum network, and it's growing every single day. So stay tuned for that. That's all I've got for you today, just a quick video covering Nitro. I'll be back with another video soon.